Hello. Taking part in conversations can sometimes feel a little daunting if we lack confidence in our ability to speak and listen to others talking. So, how can we ensure that we are able to make contributions which move the conversation forward and are clearly understood? Well, here is some helpful advice. Firstly, train your ears. Make sure you practice listening to others speak. Using subtitles on your television or on the videos you might watch will help you to be able to understand what is being said at a more natural speed. So that's a great way to practice. You might also want to learn your key words. So there are words that we associate with key topics. So if you remind yourselves of these key words, then you are better able to listen for them during a conversation. You could listen to other key words as well, such as who, what, when, where, why, and how, as they often signify the start of a new topic or a question, so you can hear clear signposting in the talk. Use the wording of the question or some of the wording from another member in the group to show not only that you have been listening, this will then give you the platform to add your own thoughts. So, for example, someone might say, I enjoyed the film last night, but I didn't like the end. Your response could be something such as, I thought the end of the film wasn't terrible, but I did prefer other parts. So you can hear how we are now using what the other person has said to help us to create our own response. If in doubt, you can always check that the member of your discussion are clear on what you have mentioned. So that can be achieved by uttering things such as, do you agree? Or what is your view? So that's a great tip because it moves conversation forward, but it also is just a way in which you can check whether or not what you've said has been understood. And finally, the best way is always to be able to be more and more familiar and confident with this skill is to practice. So the harder you work, the better you will be at it. So you need to go away now and get better at this by practicing. So thank you and good luck.